So today at the shack, we're talking salad. Not that kind of salad. Let's get to it. Welcome to the shack, and today we are tiptoeing around what could be considered a healthy dish, as it's got the word salad in it. But unfortunately for all you out there watching your figure, this salad contains no leafy greens, as this is a potato salad. A smoked potato salad to be precise. Now I do like potato salad myself. I find them scrumptious, they're creamy, they're fresh, and they're a great accompaniment to all that hot meat, especially on days like today. Plus they are simple and pretty easy to put together, and if you're really organised you could do them the day before, freeing up even more time to drink a couple of beers and chill out around the grill. Speaking of which, it's rather hot, so let's get to it. Okay, first off, potato salad, we need some potatoes. Right, this is a 750 gram bag of what they call salad potatoes, which are basically a new potato with a nice smooth skin. What you don't want is a main crop style potato, like one you'd mash or roast or use for jackets, because we want a nice soft skin, as we're not going to peel these, so you want something you can bite through. It's going to be quite tender. So what we're going to do with these, we're going to pop them in a saucepan with a bit of salt, and we're going to bring them to boil, and we're going to simmer them for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to drain them and pop them to one side. 10 minutes should do, because we're going to get the rest of the cooking done in the smoker. Now if you didn't want to use a smoker and you just wanted to do a quick potato salad without the smoke, then I would recommend boiling them for about 20 minutes, maybe 15, just test them with a fork, and when they're tender, take them off and leave them to cool on the side. Now, along with the potatoes, I've also got 3 large eggs. I'm also going to boil these on the hob for about 10 minutes till they're hard boiled inside. Then we'll let them cool and de-shell them when we prep the salad. That's our potatoes, part boiled and drained. I think we're going to chop them up a bit smaller. We'll chop them about that sort of size and we'll just pop them in. I've got a skillet here, but you could use just any sort of baking tray, or even a foil tray if you prefer. Put a little drizzle of olive oil. You could use beef dripping or goose fat, but I figured we'd keep this one vegetarian friendly today. And those are ready to go in the smoker. Now if you don't have a smoker like this, that's absolutely fine. You could do this on a Weber kettle, you could do it on a pellet grill, you could do it on a Commando, you could even do it on a gas grill if you've got one of those little smoke boxes at the side. I'm going to take this, just pop it on. So I think we'll leave those alone for 45 minutes to an hour, then hopefully they should be ready to go in our salad. So while they're smoking away, I think we'll assemble the rest of our ingredients. So we've got 4 spring onions or scallions. And we've got 5 small pickled gherkins. I think we'll dice these. Next up we have our eggs. Again, we're just going to chop these finely. Let's give those a little mix. We're just adding our wet ingredients. We have a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of yellow American mustard. Get that all combined up now, because we don't want to over mix it when the potatoes are in there. So now we have got the juice of a lime to add to it, but I'm going to wait till we have our potatoes in at the end to add that. So that's all our wet ingredients together. We'll pop those to one side and we'll have a look at these potatoes. Those are looking nice. They're probably nice and soft. Okay, so we'll take them off, we'll let them cool down for a bit, and then we'll assemble this salad. So there are our potatoes. They're all roasted or smoked now, and they've got a lovely colour to them, and they're going to be perfect in our potato salad. And we'll grab our egg and mayonnaise mix, pop that in with it, give that a little stir around. If you want a creamier salad, you can obviously add more mayonnaise. We have found this is just about perfect. The mayonnaise goes a lot further than you think, and if you're not careful you end up with a big gooey mayonnaise mess, which some people might like. So then we just get our lime, which we had left over. Squeeze that in there and mix that around, and then we have a very scrummy looking potato salad. Well, there we go then. I figured I'd portion it up, make it look a bit posher at least. Maybe throw on a sprinkle of black pepper. Why not? Looks very dainty. Let's try it. Oh yeah, that's definitely a winner. Definitely, yeah. It's a lovely tang of the gherkins and the lime. It's creaminess with the egg and that smoky richness of the potatoes. Yeah, I definitely recommend trying this. Really simple to put together, and if you don't want to use the smoker, you could just do it all indoors. Super easy, super quick that way, and it'll go great with all your meats. But I think the smoke adds another depth to it and makes it a bit different. So if you've enjoyed this video, if you've learnt anything, if you found it entertaining, maybe give it a thumbs up and maybe think about subscribing. And until next time, you take care now.